Okay, for the quiz review, I would look back over all the section of notes that we took when we've been graphing sine and cosine. But then I would try these three. I think I would probably try more and be sure I felt good about how to do these. But these are my three examples that I'm going to give to you. So go ahead and pause the video and try these on your own, and then resume the video and see how I did it. And let's see if we agree. If you have trouble with it, you can come see me in the morning and we can look at it. I forgot the y equals, so I'm going to put it here on the end. But number 3, there you go. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and try it on your own. Okay, so for this one, I have shown my work for the B and the D. So the first thing I'll do is I'll do my midline shift. So our whole midline has been moved up to positive 2. And then I'm going to sketch the period from 0 to 4 pi. I forgot to do the x scale, but it's the period divided by 4. So it's 4 pi divided by 4. So we're going to count by pi's. So 0 plus pi puts us at pi. 1 pi plus another pi puts us at 2 pi. Plus another pi puts us at 3 pi. And I think I'll move this over a little bit. Right here is 4 pi, and that's where we'll stop. Then double check your function. This is cosine, and our amplitude is 1, so we're going to go up as far as 3 and down as low as 1. Cosine starts high, crosses the midline, hits its low part, crosses the midline again, and finishes high. I just wanted to go ahead and resume here for this. I've got a reflection. I have a C value of pi over 4. So if you'd like, you could go ahead and move everything over pi over 4. Or you can treat that phase shift. If you'd like, you could set that equal to the left endpoint and to the right endpoint. That's a 2 pi there. I was kind of on automatic pilot, and I started thinking about my x scale. But I don't really have to do that because it's our normal one. But it still works. So, oh, I do actually need to do that. Yeah, I do actually need to do that. We're going to count by pi over 2's. So we are at pi over 4. That's where we're going to start. And we need to add pi over 2 to that. It's most helpful if you would get a common denominator for the 2 and the 4. So think of that as pi over 4 plus 2 pi over 4. That'd put us at 3 pi over 4. And then 3 pi over 4 plus 2 pi over 4. Keep those common denominators. Puts us at 5 pi over 4. Add 2 pi over 4 to that, and you're at 7 pi over 4. Add 2 pi over that, and you're at 9 pi over 4, which agrees with our right endpoint. Let's see. No vertical shifts, so we're just going to go up 1 and down 1. But we have a reflection, so don't forget that. So we're going to start, sine always starts on the midline, but we're going to go down this time, cross, up, and cross. Ugh, missed my points. Okay, so I have found my b value, and I have done 2 pi over b, and I've gotten a period to be 3. So for your x scale, it's period divided by 4. So we're going to count by 3/4. You do have a midline shift. So we're going to shift this down 2. Our amplitude is still 1, so we're going to go up -1 and down to -3. We're going from 0 to 3, and we're going to count by 3/4. So 0 plus 3/4 puts us at 3/4. 3/4 plus 3/4 puts us at 6/4. 6/4 plus 3/4 puts us at 9/4. And 9/4 plus 3/4 puts us at 12/4, which is 3. I'm just going to move my little 3 over a little bit. So that's our 3. That's where we're supposed to stop. Period length of 3. I forgot to dot my new midline. Okay, sine starts on the midline, goes up, crosses the midline, goes down, finishes on the midline. All right, good luck. See me tomorrow if you need to see me.